This is how you're gonna put your wax on your braces. So most of the time when you get braces, you're gonna get this little wax that comes with it, and we tell you how to wear it, but I swear most people don't really know how to wear it. So this is a quick video explaining how we do it. The first thing I tell people is try not to use wax too much, because if you use it right from the get-go, you're probably gonna have to use it throughout their journey of braces. So try to let your mouth get used to the braces without using the wax. But if you have to use wax, this is how we do it. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off a strip of wax here. I'm gonna grab the whole thing. Let's see, woo! So I'm just gonna take a little piece of it, just like this, and I'm gonna roll it up to a little ball, just like so. So now you got the wax rolled up just like this. Now you're gonna figure out exactly where to put it. Most of the time it's on these little hooks, you know, they kind of grab your mouth, or maybe it's sometimes in the back where the wire is extending out just a little bit too much. So if it's on one of these hooks, I just take this little piece of wax and I push it in there really good, so it gets right around the whole bracket. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. Keep in mind, this is only gonna last for a few hours, and eventually it's probably gonna fall off. If you don't like this wax, there is something else called Gushy Goo. Gushy Goo is pretty good, but it's probably like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 times the cost of wax. Like I said, you wanna use wax the least amount possible because you want your mouth to get used to braces. So hopefully that's gonna help somebody get through their braces adventure just a little bit